Can you hear me?
Hello? Oh, yeah, I
Yes.
can hear you.
Okay, good. So, Lyrical, share with me, please. Did you face any problems with your homework so far?
I guess the issue I had with this one and the one I did the previous week was getting the maximum and minimum values from an input basically.
Okay. Can you please share with me? I mean,
Yeah.
you managed to solve the issue, or you still facing?
I just wanted to know how exactly I'll do that in an efficient way.
Okay. And then share with
Let
me,
me
please.
just open. Okay, let me just open my JGross. Just trying to find the exercise. BMI. Oh, was it this one? No. Sorry, my IDE refreshed and I just need to find the exercise.
Okay.
Um, so sorry, I can't find it for some reason. Uh, Let me just,
Can you open recent files? Can you go to
um,
file, the file menu, and then go to recent files?
file, um, recent files, um, not picking.
Mm. Go to
And
down,
the thing
maybe?
that, hmm?
Go down.
We're on
Yeah, okay,
the
go up again.
file,
Yeah, wow, okay. Click on it.
pardon?
Click. Are you able to
Recent
click?
files.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm clicking recent files, but
Oh,
it's not really
okay.
anything.
Okay.
I think it was because I can't find it. Maybe it's um, no, no, can't find BMI health check. Should be here. I can't find it for some reason.
So you checked all the files that you have here? I mean, did you use the correct name for it?
Yeah, it was called BMI health tracker, so it should be here.
But you cannot find the name.
No,
So, okay. What I then in this case, I would say, so okay, you see this name or this location, this file location.
the one I just clicked on,
Yeah, I mean this
like my
one.
name.
Yeah, this one. Whole. So
Yeah,
you copy all this. You copy this all from the C until the S.
Control C.
Control C, and then go
Yeah.
to go to this. Do you know how to go to this exact folder?
Oh, no, no.
So do you have a space to search on your status bar?
Yes.
So put the one that you copied just now, the link or the path. We call this a path. So copy this path and put
Okay.
it in the run and press enter. It should open for you the
It,
folder.
yes.
It did open, right?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
now I see.
Okay. Now go step up. Go one step up from this. It means that one level up, which means that if you go one level up, it will get you out from the documents folder to the lyrical, and I mean your name here. Okay.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Can you share your screen?
But is it supposed to take me to like a folder?
Yes. Yes, it should.
Yeah, I think I'm on that folder.
Yeah, yeah, but I want you to go one level up because I suspect you search you actually you most probably saved the file somewhere else, not here, or else you could have find it.
So when you mean I should go one level up? Because it's in like home. That's where I find like the folder is home or something. The
No, it's not
folder's
home.
hard.
The
I'm not really sure.
the folders. So the folder under the user folder, there is a folder under your name. Under the folder of your name, there is another folder that's called documents. There is no home. Here, there is no home at all. Can you share your
Let me
screen?
just take a picture.
No, 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 don't take a
Um,
pictures. Print screen. I already teach you how to do a print screen,
yeah,
and you forgot.
yeah. The thing is, yeah, I did forget. Sorry.
Okay. So
So,
one level up means that you have to press this.
oh, and then
So it takes you now to the folder under your name. So okay,
yeah.
can you write the name of the file that you actually used? No, no,
Oh,
no documents. It's
I thought it only printed out documents.
no, you don't need to write documents. What is the file name that you used for your Java file?
Um, it was BMI health tracker.
Write it here.
It's not here.
Okay, remove a little bit from the file name. Okay, enough. Press enter. Okay. So this is all what is found here, and none of them is called. hmm, I would say go one level up, please. Search again. Write the file. Okay. Wow. One level up is. hmm, Okay. You still don't have. Go to this PC here. Go to your local disk users. Okay. Wait. You please write again here the file name that you need to search. Are you sure you write? I mean, okay. Never mind.
Because
What
that
I will
was
do?
the
Go to
name
this
it was
PC.
in the question.
Okay. Click one
Yeah.
more time here.
Oh,
No.
sorry.
Yeah. Here. Okay. Now write the name. Now we are searching the whole hard drive.
Mhm.
So, okay, my advice to you now, if you let me tell, huh? Allow me to share and don't stop this, please. Let it continue searching.
Yeah.
Okay.
If we
And
can't find it, we can just work off the pictures I sent on the group.
mm, yes, you can, but it's not a complete program.
Yeah.
Okay. See first, please. So let me explain this until we are able to find. So
Okay.
okay. Um, so this is a typical algorithm that you are able to use and modify if you really understand it very well. Um, to be able to find the minimum and maximum numbers from a list of numbers. Okay, so assume here, forget about this number here. So you define a variable that's minimum and another variable that's called maximum, and this is a loop that will loop through a list of numbers that you take an input from the user. Here they're using a scanner, but in your case you will use a J option pan, that the one that you always use.
Yes.
Okay, so I would say for the minimum to work, you have to put a large number here. For example, 1 million. For the maximum to work, you put it 0. So the minimum
Mhm.
variable should be always carry a large number, and the maximum should carry a low number. So memorize it like that, because maybe it's a bit we are running out of time. So look at here. This is a loop. This is a typical loop. We can put it here 10 or anything. So we are running from 1 maybe until 10. And then
Yeah.
um, we are asking the user to enter a number. And then
Hmm.
every time we compare the numbers that the user enter to this 2. So if the number is the number that the user enter is less than minimum, it means that we have a new minimum. So it means that we enter, if this is true, we enter here, we assign the new number that the user input to the minimum. So assume that this is 1 million, right? So assume the user
Yeah.
assume that you put 10. So you come here, you're comparing 10 is less than the minimum. What is the minimum? Is 1 million. Which is it correct? So if I put 1 million here, is it true or false? This evaluate to true, this if statement. Evaluate to true
Oh,
or false.
I see what that means. I see how it works.
So it means that, okay, if we put here a big number, any number we put here, it will be always less than it. So it means now that the minimum we will put inside the minimum 10. No longer, so we no longer having 1 million, we will have 10. Okay.
So that would be like the highest number that the
No, that will be the minimum number uh, that you get or you have. And now you check here. Is it this number, which is 10, that the user input, is it bigger than the maximum? The maximum is 0.
yeah.
Okay. So 10 bigger than 0 or no?
Yeah, it is.
So it means that I will take the maximum, I will put 10 inside it, because 10 is bigger than 0. So that is
Yeah.
how you keep comparing. Of course, it works here this way. But if the next time I enter, because this is a loop, so it so if I enter here 1 instead of 10, so now the number that user input is become 1. Okay. So if I put here
Mhm.
1 and I compare it to the new minimum, what is the new minimum?
The new minimum is 1.
No, this is the new min. This is the minimum, the
Wait.
current minimum, and this is the current maximum. Because I mean, this if statement already worked. Okay,
Yes.
can you write please this code? I mean, so
Okay. Um,
How is it?
Almost done. Let me share with you.
Okay. Okay. Where is the minimum maximum variable? Did you find it?
The min, what is or where is it?
Where is it?
I put them here.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So, okay.
Yeah,
Can you enter numbers? I think the program is waiting for you input.
Ye- yeah, yeah, I'm
Entering. Okay.
entering the numbers now.
Mhm.
So
So
how exactly?
you didn't print the minimum and maximum after the loop.
Oh,
So if you would like to understand also, so after you do this printing,
yeah.
max.
Yeah, my mind just went blank. Uh, um, is, is there
Put it,
something
put a
wrong?
dash, put a dash here so that it's separate from the max. You will get confused from, yeah, just put a dash.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so copy this print, please. Copy this print statement and put a version from it here and here. So
Okay, can I
change this to
two?
number is, and then remove this and put the number.
Um,
Okay.
Do I remove this part?
No, keep it. So please move this line after here. So before the curly braces.
Do I remove
Yes,
this?
yes. And
Yeah.
here we're having the maximum, which is okay. So you change this. So copy this and put it here instead of this. So this to me removed. Okay, that's okay. Can you run now? And make the loop, no, wait, make the loop, please, 4 numbers. So the loop should run for 4 times only, not no need for 10 times.
The number is minimum is 7, maximum is 7, number is 7.
So, I mean, how many numbers you put?
4.
And what is the numbers that you put?
I remember putting a 7, a 1, a 4, and a 2.
84 and 82? 84 and 82?
No, no, no. I put 7, 4, 2, and 1.
Okay, so the maximum is 7 and the minimum is 1.
Yeah.
Can you go down?
Yes.
Your code is working?
Yes. The maximum is 7, minimum is 1.
Okay, so if you look up, so here, I mean, you need to watch for this kind of statement when it is printed. It will be only printed if this is true, right?
Yes.
Okay, so when you put an input, for example, 2, nothing was printed. Nothing is printed here. So you're comparing your number is 2, and you're comparing it to the minimum, and it doesn't work here. So it doesn't print this statement. I think you're still confused from you don't really understand how the code works, right?
Not necessarily, no.
No, I don't understand this answer. Yes or no?
No,
You don't
no.
understand how the code works.
Yeah.
Okay.
My thing is, for here, the thing that I'm still trying to wrap my head around is still here. It's like, why is the minimum initially stored as a higher value than the maximum?
Because if you stored, so the minimum to be able for it, if you, so okay, easier. Can you switch these two numbers?
Okay.
Now run, you will find the algorithm doesn't work. I want you to put 10, 20, 100, and 500.
So in that order, just randomly.
Yeah, or you can change whatever, it doesn't matter.
Maximum is minimum is
So you never catch it
0.
anything from here.
Okay, yeah, I see.
So you see, okay, why? Just give you an example. So this is start with 0, right? This minimum will start having 0, right? So when you enter 10 at the first, let's assume that you enter 10. So this means that this is 10 and it is less than 0. Is it 10 less than 0? No.
No, no.
Okay. So it means that the minimum stay as it is. It's still having 0. Okay. And what about the maximum? So the maximum have 1 million. And then you try to go down. It means that this is give me false. So I will never execute that. If I go to the maximum, the number is 10. Is it, if I compare it to 1 million, is it 10 bigger than 1 million? No.
No,
So it
but
means that I
I
will
feel like
keep. Mhm.
I feel like that problem could be solved if you just tweaked the conditions to make it that
Yes, but
the
but
number
but
must
but you have
be
to understand that this is a fixed algorithm that is taught in all computer science subjects. I mean, this kind of if statement and this kind of input for the values of minimum and maximum is fixed. It means that this is a
okay.
standard
Do you mind
algorithm
if
that.
I just
Mhm.
do you mind if I like swap the minimum here with the max and the max with the minimum to just see what would happen?
Sure. Yes, but if you do that, wait. If you do that, you ruin this. But never mind. Okay, run, whatever. I mean, it's okay, totally fine. So you see,
Uh,
you
yeah.
will never capture. The algorithm is fixed in all the computer science. This is a standard algorithm. It means that this is how it works. The minimum variable must contain a high value. When you put a high value inside, if you give it an input as 10, we will automatically start to capture the 10. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you put it, I mean, that's how it works. That's why I think in this time, since I would like to cover still a few things with you, um, I would recommend that you try to memorize it like this. This is two if statement. Here must be a bigger number as a minimum, and the maximum must be a lower number. If you able to put minus, okay, put minus. Put -1, for example. It will still work. So we put a negative value because this is the lowest ever. So you compare the lowest, okay? So you say the number is bigger than, is it this bigger than 10? Never, of course, -1 will never be bigger than 10. So we will find that automatically the code here will automatically start to store 10 instead of -1. So whenever you put a lower number here, every number that you put, it will capture it. Did you get me?
Okay, I think that makes sense. It makes sense, yeah.
Okay, so please memorize it as it is, okay? So that will work for the BMI, and that will also work for what? For the code that we did it, I mean, the question 2, part of the game, you remember?
Yeah, yeah, I remember.
So, okay, so it means This for loop, in the game, you have a for loop or you have a while loop? I think you have a while loop.
Yeah, it was a while loop.
So it means that you put these two if statements inside the while loop, and be aware this cannot put inside the loop. This must be outside
Yeah,
the
it has
loop.
to be outside.
So it does.
Yeah.
I mean, we can use any kind of loop. We can use here while loop. We can. It's up to us. But the key here, these two, you have to define them outside.
Hmm?
The,
Are you?
so what is?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. You're just cutting for a bit, but
Okay.
I managed to hear the last part of what you said.
Okay. So what I want to say at the end here, these two must be before
The
the
loop.
loop. These two if statements, two if statements inside the loop. Whatever the loop it is, it can be for or even while. This is the key. So why we put
Yeah.
this inside the while loop? Why we put if statement? So that every time you enter a number in the loop, we compare them to our current minimum and our current maximum. And then we capture
Yeah.
them. If they are lower, so okay, just so imagine inside your pocket, just this is one simple thing before we move on. Inside your pocket, I tell you, I give you 10 USD, 10 ringgit, 10 US dollar. Okay.
Mhm.
And then I will tell you, I'm having 100 USD inside my pocket. If
Mm-hmm.
your number or your money is less than my money, I will give you mine. So this is how
Yeah.
we compare the minimum and the maximum. So it, okay, I assume then after I give you, so you having 10, I am having 100. It means now that you are having less than mine. So I give you my 100 and I take the 10 back from you. So what is your minimum now in your pocket? It's 100, right?
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. So do I need to continue or we can move on to something else?
Yeah, we can move on.
Okay, good. Do you know how to get an average?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's just it's the total divided by the amount of
The
times
count.
that, like,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. So can you see my, I mean, this is question one. This is part of your exam question, right? This is very tricky question, actually. Okay. So let me try to, can you try to read at least this here?
As a game developer, you've been tasked with creating a thrilling text-based adventure game, The Cursed Cavern. Players will embark on perilous journey into the depths of the mysterious cave, facing challenging decisions and encounters. Your role is to craft an immersive experience by designing intricate puzzles, formidable enemies, and rewarding treasures. Create an application called Text Adventure.
So,
There
okay,
is a list of variables.
let me
Oh,
analyze with you. The point here, we try to analyze. This is almost useless.
yeah, it is.
Almost useless. It doesn't
But
give you any
it's
information to write.
yeah, but it just helps like get a better understanding of what the purpose of the thing is.
Fine. Okay, fine. Okay. So you get one mark just by creating a correct name for the application. Don't lose it.
Yep.
Okay. So, and you get 5 marks for creating variables. That is something in your pocket. Don't lose them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now read please 1.2.
Here is a list of variables that must be declared along with the purpose of these variables. Hint, choose the appropriate data type. So player health stores the hit points of the player, current room, stores the current room number that the player is in, has torch, stores whether the player has a torch or not. Choice, the stores the prompted choice of the player.
So
So
from here, are you able to guess? You don't need to guess everything at one shot. Whatever you're able to know from the first, do it.
so player health is just gonna be an integer.
Possibly
Current room
integer.
will also be current room number will also be an integer.
Mhm.
Has torch would be string.
No,
Uh
Boolean. Everything that say has or is, I mean, he can use is valid. This is Boolean. It can be true or false. Okay.
oh okay.
Has torch,
Okay.
he have or he doesn't have. You see, he has a torch or
Oh,
he doesn't. It's Boolean.
sorry,
True or
yeah.
false? Okay. Now choice.
Yeah. Choice
It can
stores
be
the
a number.
prompted.
It can be a string. We don't know. I mean, it's not very clear for us. Stores the
But I
prompted
think it
choice of the
would
player.
I think it could be maybe a string, like a yes or no question, because yeah, I don't know.
Possibly,
I
but
think
don't spend too much time. I would say create the variable, leave the data type empty, and move on so that you don't think too much. Okay. Implement a while
yeah.
loop. So,
Mm-hmm.
okay, the player health is greater than 0. So we now sure, so he didn't say 0 0.0. So we now sure that the player health, that's why I told you don't spend too much time on figuring out the data type because he will give you information later on. So the player health is confirmed. It is integer. Okay. And
Yeah.
I mean, okay, so if the while loop say that the player health need to be greater than 0, so you at least put it, I mean, you have to put it greater than 0 or else the while loop will never, it will never run. So at least can you now, so I will just ask you here, read this, and then we start to implement.
Okay, within the while loop, use a switch case statement to handle different rooms in the cave. Example, case one equals to room one. Make current room equal to one and display the following scenario. Ask the user to enter their choice, open, not open, allowing a glowing chest and store it in the choice variable. Ask the user
So
to
the
enter their
choice
choice.
variable contain open or not open. Open or not open, this is cannot be character, this cannot be Boolean, cannot be integer. It's only a string, isn't it?
Yeah.
So okay, so now we learn that when he asks us for a data type, we don't want to spend too much time here. Okay, so okay,
Mm-hmm.
I think this is a part of the question that is blur. It's not very clear to me. Okay, but I notice that okay, here it's telling me
Hello?
yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you just cut off for a moment there. I think it might be maybe Wi-Fi on my side.
Never mind. You stop me if you don't hear me. So I know for
Okay.
sure here there is a while loop. So I need to
Yeah.
create a while loop. I need to, so I create the while, I put the health and it's bigger than 0. And then I open the curly braces and close it. Inside the while, I will find within the while loop, he say, use a switch statement. Immediately build a switch statement here. Okay? The switch
Yeah.
statement is to handle different rooms in the cave. So we have case 1, room 1. So at least I know there is a case 1, which refers to room 1. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, and you see here, he say current room is equal 1, which confirms our finding that it is integer for sure. This is integer for sure. Am I right? Certain things
Yes.
will be blurred for you, will not be clear. Don't stop and waste the time. Go to the next, I mean, simple things. We try to, whatever we can do, fine. We can, if this is not very clear, leave it. Don't run after it. but I want to let you know that he make a strong emphasis on understanding how you should. I mean, he doesn't use system.out here. He used the show dialogue. Do you remember that?
Yeah, yeah.
Or you want me to give you a fast reminder, at least where to find it in the book?
No, so when you refer to show dialogue, do you mean like show message dialogue, show error dialogue,
Yes,
those? Yeah,
yes, because that is, but just be aware. I don't want you to lose mark. You see here what he put here.
question.
He put a question mark. And so he's taking input from the user, but he is using a question mark. It means that you have to add an option. So I'm sorry, it seems that, sorry, I got confused. I didn't notice the input here. No, this will not be show message dialogue. It will be an input, a typical input that you use, but you have to show the question mark, which means that there is something that you need to add here. Do you still remember that?
Um, I'm not really sure. Was it show question dialogue or something? I'm not really sure.
It is an option that we can put, but never mind. Okay, I will show it to you. That's just
Yeah,
let us. I mean, that is part that we can lose 7 marks from. I mean, so this portion is 2 marks. This is 7, and just by creating a switch statement and making the current room equal 1, we can earn 7 marks. So can we
yeah,
start to have a look here, please? Are you able to work on the program roughly?
sure.
Do I need to slow down?
No, not at all. What's the name of the application?
Oopsie is here. Text adventure.
Text it. Thank you.
How is it?
It's good. Uh,
Are you stuck?
uh, Pardon?
Are you stuck somehow?
Oh no, I'm not stuck. I just had a question. For the switch statement, do I only make one case?
At the moment, yes. In
Okay.
this question, since he only mentioned what case one, but you later on the sub questions you will know that you actually have four rooms. So if there is four rooms, since he said this statement here, he mentioned to us here that for every case there is a room, and we will notice that
Yeah.
we have four rooms after we read through the questions. So, but at the moment he mentioned us one case, so we do it one case.
Okay.
The way that the person write the questions, it makes you not able to actually complete a certain step unless you read the more steps. But my advice to you, if you read that he want variables from you here, just immediately write the variable and move to the next. Things will become clearer. He want a while loop, just create a while loop, even though if it is not complete.
Okay.
Don't read the whole question one shot. It will take time and maybe it will get you confused.
Yeah. That's the thing I hate about the test. It's just like the wording.
Yes, the wording is somehow not, it's tricky.
Yeah. Um, would you like to see my code so
Yes,
far
please.
or
Yes, yes, definitely, yes.
Mm,
Okay. Case one. Yeah, excellent. Can you please come here?
where?
Go here. Move a bit to,
Oh,
to this direction. More towards the end. Okay, more. Okay, now stop here. So make a comma and put input and put another comma. So this is a title. Okay, good.
um,
It's okay. It doesn't matter. This is a spelling that you can.
oh,
The trick is to understand only where to put the input. So he can put for you a different title, and then you know where to change it. So okay, now don't put it after the brackets. The brackets, everything must be within the brackets.
oh, yeah. So see.
Okay, good.
Is
Another
that fine?
another comma, yes. Another comma after the input, after this here. After
Okay.
the double quotation, make another comma, and then put what? J option pan dot question underscore message.
Dot underscore like this. I mean,
No,
sorry.
dot message dot message.
Oh, dot message
No,
underscore
sorry, dot
under
question underscore message. And
dot.
question underscore message is capital, all capital.
Okay.
Underscore.
Like the whole word is capital.
Yes, yes. And the question also whole word capital.
Oh, okay. Question underscore message.
Now run, please.
Okay. What's there? Incompatible. Cannot convert. Cannot
String
be
cannot be
converted.
converted to component. Let us look where he's pointing. He's pointing somewhere here. Uh, are you missing? Can you go in front here? I would like to see your. So here, can you put here null, comma? No, here,
Where's
here.
oh
Okay, now run. Do you see? I think you should be seeing something now.
yeah, I do.
So, okay, do you see the title of the box that appears to you? You supposed to see here input, isn't it?
Yeah, I see input.
And you see the question mark.
Yes.
Okay, so now so if you will create a dialog that need to show the input and the type of thing here, the type of the dialog, then you need to put a null here. Okay,
Oh, okay.
because you never
Okay.
used it before, right? You never put null here before, right?
I've done it a few times.
Okay, that's good. So in this case, now we know how to show a proper dialogue. The choice now need to be I think for the moment everything looks great. You said if the choice is equal open, okay, that's good. What value you initialize the play health for?
I just did something random. I said 800.
Okay, fine. Yeah, he didn't mention it, so it's totally fine. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Um, I would say, oh, never mind. Okay, you continue. So let me share
Let me
again the.
just make it 8 because it's
Uh-huh.
just continuously asking me. I think it's gonna ask me once the health is less than 800.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand because we didn't continue, we didn't complete the code yet. Yes, I understand that. No, no need to run again. I think, yeah, just end program.
Yeah. Oh, it's still going. Crazy. Um, yeah, I think I might have set the value a bit too high, something.
No, because we didn't complete the program. That's why it show like that. It's okay.
Oh, yeah.
We need to set the conditions. So the while loop will keep running forever until the health is no longer bigger than zero. That's why
Yeah.
it's not because of anything else that you said. It is actually you didn't complete the code, and somehow for this loop to end, the health must be less than zero or even zero. If it becomes zero, the loop will end. So
Yeah.
we need to find a way to stop the program, right? It keep
Oh, yeah. I somehow stopped it.
okay, good. So let
Yeah.
me can you stop sharing and then I will share the code here.
Okay. Um,
So if you can see here, you will notice, yeah, so you start already to put an if statement for the open. So if open, and he's saying if they choose not open, it means that we can say else, and we can mark that. So there will be some code here. So this not open. If he is open or not open. Okay. So
yeah.
we know here that we subtract the health by 20, display a message indicating that they find a torch. So if they find a torch, it means that you have to change the variable torch from false to true. And then ask the user to
Oh,
choose if you go deeper into the cave. So it means that if you choose
okay.
open, I will do two things. I will one, I find the torch. Find means the has torch become true. The second, I ask the user to go if he wants to go deeper or
Mm,
turn back. So the message that the input dialog box that will show to the user, it can have two possible inputs, deeper or turn back. So inside here,
okay.
two things. But build this first so that you're not confused.
Okay. Mm. Yeah.
To share. Are you still there?
Oh yeah, I'm still here. Oh, um, I'm almost done.
Good.
Should I share my code?
Yeah.
Okay. This poll is a bit tricky, so I'm not really 100% sure if I got it correct, but are you there?
Yeah, I'm reading.
Oh,
So, okay. Uh, okay. Where is your, so if he doesn't choose to go deeper, he will choose to go back, right?
yeah. It's here.
Okay. Yep. Turn back. Okay. So I recommend you, um, okay, let me write to you here. When you do comparison between a variable and a text, please use choice dot equal like this and put the turn back text here. So any comparison between variable and text, use equals, sorry, here s. And the same goes here.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is totally fine. Where is your confusion again? Sorry.
The
Yeah, but we don't have any print line. So all the while in this code, he would like to show messages. So it seems that um yeah, maybe this part is not clear yet. So okay, let me give me a second. If you choose to open, go deep, go back. So yep.
with the message, is it like all capital letters even here, or can I just do it like
Show
this?
show is all small. Message, the M is capital. Dialogue, D is capital. And then it doesn't matter the message itself. I mean,
Okay. So this is fine.
yep.
Okay.
So okay, now we know that he want to go back, right? So and he said if he go back, it means that
The program ends.
the program ends. How we end the program by putting the health equal 0. I mean, this is how you end the while loop.
You part I didn't hear you, sorry.
So how you end the while loop? But ending the while loop is by putting the how to say uh by putting the health equal 0.
Equals 0. What should equal 0?
The health,
Oh,
the you have a health for the player, right? The player
oh, the
health, the player health that you build the while loop around it.
um well, yeah, fair health. Fair.
No, you should only put it if he turns back. It means that it need to be within
Inside.
the if.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. And let me check here. You show a message that he left the cage, but you didn't show a message that he find a torch, right? Did you?
I think I did, but oh, I think well, it was only for the like if he chose open.
Okay. This is if he choose open. Okay. Wait, if he choose open, display a message that he found a torch, then ask the user to go deeper. If he choose to go deeper, then make the room equal to. Did you make the room equal to? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's good. And then if he doesn't choose to go deeper, so okay, great. And then we move down, which is not open. So in the not open, we're taking a choice from him. If you want to go deeper or go back, it means that we also asking him, okay, if here, wait, okay, and then wait. No, I think there is a confusion here. So that's why I asked you first to create the initial loop first. So okay, now let me. Can you go up, please? This is a bit confusing. This is not open. This is wait. Oh, okay. So this is open. Where is the closing of this? You need to
Oh,
indent to be able to. I mean, if you don't indent, you have to indent means that you have to put a space when
wait.
so this is mm, this must be done from the start so that you do not know. I mean, I ask you to build the main if statement first with all the closing of it. If you don't do that, it will become messy because it's really messy in this area. So please, in the
Yeah.
exam, at least follow that. Okay.
Okay. Um.
If it is open, I also don't know where is your else? Where is your else that you, if it is not open with all your brackets?
Here. Wait. Okay. Wait. So that means I I need to remove this.
Put the curly braces of closing before the else.
Of closing before the else. Okay, so then I have to remove this one and put this one. Okay.
So if it is not open, you ask him again to go deeper or go back. Can you go down? And yeah, it's really good practice that you push the code so that at least you know which one you know that this if belong to here by indenting. You know how to you mm, never mind. It's okay.
Yeah.
Current room, turn back. Okay. Can you confirm that this is closing? And where is the closing of not open? Where is the closing of this?
Um, I think nah, don't put it there.
Okay. Can you now start to run maybe and see what is happening?
Okay. It
So
seems I have like one extra bracket or something.
So that's why please in the exam start to make the main opening and closing of brackets first.
Okay. Oh, it's still running. Okay. End run. Direction pane to show message dialog. Unsuitable method for show message dialog string.
Show message dialog must have a null at the start because make
Not
sure that
on.
the
Oh,
spelling is okay.
okay. I'm in one. Okay. The opening. Um. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Okay, it's doing that thing it did again where it's just asking continuously.
Okay, so it's asking continuous, even though if you say, mhm,
Let me, I kept saying open. Let me try saying not open.
mhm.
Not, okay, okay, now it's moving me on to something else. Turn, maybe, let me see. Yeah. Okay, so what it's basically doing now is that it's asking me if like the same question that asked me in the previous run, and then it's also asking me whether or not I want to turn back, but it's continuously doing it.
So even if it asks you to turn back, does it show you the player has left the cave?
No, it doesn't.
Can you modify this one first, please? Write the equals. This need to be
Where?
same here. Need to be this same like this. Equals here.
I can't see where you're writing.
Go deeper. Choice equal go deeper.
Oh, yeah, that fine?
Mm-mm. And in the exam, it is better to actually write it with an underscore or something. This kind of space can give a lot of um, chance for errors, but never mind at the moment. So just try it and see.
I can't remember in one. Still the same problem.
Still going. Okay, never mind. Just write the case two. Did you write break? Where is your break?
For the case,
Yes.
here.
Huh? Wow. Wait. So this closing is for what?
Which closing?
This bracket. Can you see my what I'm writing? This bracket is
No,
belong to what?
unfortunately not.
Unfortunately, not
Which
what?
closing?
This.
I can't see your writing.
Why?
I have no idea.
Wow.
It's not
Can you
showing on
press
my
on the
side.
zoom? Can you? Wow. So under the break,
Oh,
there
now
is a
I see.
calibration.
Now I see.
So it means that you write the whole case, you close the switch statement, and you write. Wait, that's a bit confusing. Wow. You, I'm surprised. Why you write the whole code under the break?
Under the, was it supposed to be in the
Inside
switch
the
statement?
case. It's yes.
Oh, I thought, oh, I literally thought that it was just like one case and then we'd go back to the switch statement again.
No, okay, so please let's go back to this exercise again. That is a fatal mistake. So we need to be very careful from this kind of mistakes because you will never run the program. It will never run from you. You have to really read very well before you
Should I
implement.
stop sharing?
So yeah,
Yeah, should
yeah,
I stop sharing?
yes, please.
Okay. Because the thing is, I thought like we're going to go back to the switch statement like after a certain while. I thought that we
So
were
you
moving
see
on to
here, he
something
said
else.
use a switch statement to handle different rooms. Okay, that's one thing. We make a current room, okay, and then display the following scenario. If you display it, okay, it means that we need to ask the user, and then after we ask the user, we
Oh,
need to put open and not open.
oh, so
So it's
everything was
all
inside the.
yes, yes, inside the case.
Oh,
And then
oh,
at the end of all this, you write the break. And
okay, that
definitely,
makes sense.
so that is one thing. Second thing is when we go down. So here, just be aware that he write a message and this is information. You remember how we do that?
Oh yeah, yeah,
Okay. So now when you are in room two, it means that you need to case two. And then under
yeah.
case two, you have to implement this with this kind of messages that appear.
Okay,
Okay. So I think if you
yeah,
put the code inside the case one and then put the break under it, then the code will behave normally.
yeah.
Can you do that fast, please? And then uh, give me a chance to explain a tricky part here so that you understand this.
Okay. Yeah, now the code works properly.
Okay, so please have a look at here.
50% transfer. Okay, add a code displaying a message indicating you found a hidden passage. In this passage, there is a 50% chance of encountering a goblin.
So this 50% chance he would like you to use random. This is mass.random that we use many times, right? But this mass.random, it produce from 0 until 0.999, right?
Hmm.
Okay. If you, so it will create a random number and the chance that, so in the middle from 0 to 0.99 is 0.5. So if I say if I make a if statement, and then I say mass dot random like that, bigger than 0.5, okay, then I will do something, which is the 50% chance that you encounter goblin. So this goblin means that this goblin will appear to you with a 50% chance. So you need to create a mass dot random, and you put this condition. So you can save this mass dot random to a variable, maybe
Double
chance.
percentage.
Yeah, just make it int. Oh, I think no, it's need to be double because it have to produce a number like that. So this is the chance variable that carries the result from here, and then you come here. So you write the chance. If the chance is bigger than 0.5, then you will encounter a goblin. In this special, if there is a 50% chance encountering a goblin, then if the goblin is encountered, if it is 0.5 bigger than 0.5, it means that this is true. This means that you encounter a goblin, then you will behave like this. If the user has a torch, display a message indicating that the goblin is scared. So this is how you implement the chance, because I mean this kind of percentage chance, how you can make it without random? You cannot make it without random. So if the value that come here in the random is 0, so 0 is bigger than 0.5, no, it falls. It means that I will not encounter a goblin. So
Yeah.
if the user, okay, and then, but if he encounter a goblin, then I will implement this. Are you aware of this? No, I think you are confused.
Let me
Write
just
case 2,
read.
please. Yes,
Pardon?
read it, please. Yes, read it.
If the user has a torch, display the message indicating the goblin is get away and card room is equal to the user does not have a torch. Okay, I understand this. It's not too bad. So basically, it's basically like you create a variable double chance, right? And then you use math.random. And then if it's over 0.50, 0.5, 0.5, then the user encounters a goblin. And then if the user has a torch during this encounter with a goblin, then they are able to
Perfect.
progress
Yes,
room
perfect.
3 because goblin is dead. And then if not, their health goes
Yes.
down by 20
The
points.
tricky part is this thing here, this one. That you know
Yeah.
that the chance that the number generated by the random will be 50% lower than 0.5 and 50% bigger than 0.5. That is how we do it. So I mean, this is tricky. You never encountered that kind of thing before. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So you will have to continue. Unfortunately, it's I have other things that I need to do. So the remaining part is not as tricky as 1.5. This is the most trickiest part. So in the exam, if you find that you have a problem here, okay, just put the main if statements, and whatever inside, leave it. Leave it until you continue the remaining. Because if I look here, I find that also this is having 7 marks, and this is yeah, this is 7, and this is what he didn't put.
Yeah.
This is 7 and this is 5. So I mean, that is not also bad marks that you can get. If you waste your time in 1.5, you will never get finish this. So
Yeah.
can you please, okay, I think you need to do this part alone, unfortunately. Do it, and if you have a question, hopefully I'm able to answer you before my sleep. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
But please do it. Please do the remaining parts of the question.
Yeah, I will.
Okay? So one trick
Yeah.
one tricky part before we close, please. I think you need to read it. So you need to read it. If I explain it, I think that's not good for your thinking. Read it, and then if you have a question, let me know. Okay. So your exam is tomorrow, right? Hello, Lyrical, can you hear me? Lyrical, can you hear me? Hello, Lyrical, can you hear me? Hello, Lyrical, can you hear me?
Oh, so you cut.
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay.
Can you hear me now? Lyrical, your exam is tomorrow, right? Lyrical, can you hear me?
Pardon.
Lyrical, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes. So I just wanted to know. Okay, Lyrical. So listen to me. You have your exam tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm writing Sepedi.
You're writing what?
I'm just like writing FAL, like just like, but the IT exam is on Friday.
Ah, okay. So you have the practical final exam also on Friday,
Yeah, the practical's on Friday.
and tomorrow is the theoretical.
No, no, no. Tomorrow I'm writing another subject.
Oh, okay. So it's not. Oh, okay, okay. I understand. So okay. Then let me know if you have. Yeah. If let me know if you have a question. But please finish this sub questions, please. Okay.
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 Then take care. Good luck in your exam.
Take care. Thank you.
Bye bye.